Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for here we'll bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Gendouzi don't come outside and explain why he moved to Marseille. Again, so back on the explain say he moved to Marseille because of Champions League football. Say Champions League football might be the objective, the main appeal. We push them. So when the content talk say Arsenal no want time again, like Arsenal they do anyhow. So you can reason say okay, where I go next? You can scam Marseille. You can say omo, this Marseille and they play Champions League football. And for Arsenal when they now, they play Champions League football. Saying they used to play Europa, So when you can see, I'm going to say no. Marseille is the right place for me to go and join. That is why I just pack him bag, pack everything. Tell your agent say, oh yeah, go complete the low move for me for this Marseille. Make I go join them. That is why I just pack him bag, go there. And also the guy just they use scope, just they give us some kind sub, just they give us some small sub. Well, it is what it is. Make go there, go enjoy yourself. At the same time, Gendouzi himself don't come outside. They claim say William Saliba won't join them for Marseille. I know say why I be like this. We say Saliba self no try because he don't run your mouth many times. Marseille is my club. I want to play Champions League football, and truly, it is unfair for him to help Marseille fight for Champions League because Marseille ends second for the table behind PSG, so they qualify for Champions League. So now it go dey unfair saying go live there, come Arsenal. We're going to go Europa League and your position for the first level not even sure. It go be very unfair to us on your own part. But notwithstanding, now Arsenal gets so they don't run the match many times. That is why all those people like maybe Pablo Longoria, will be Marseille president, they feel say Saliba can easily come and join us here because he don't talk some kind of things. Even when he can later turn around, maybe some of his advisors don't advise him say Arsenal ain't get you put the yarn doors to get because that are no nonsense manager or they can put it for Benjamin. So you can change. You can say okay, I'm going to join Arsenal in pre-season. That was when he was doing an interview with Telefoot. Because I'm going to join Arsenal for pre-season, I'll play for Arsenal this season, all those kind of things. So well, this is what it is. So guys, another thing I say make I can't talk. Say Arsenal now don't they interested in many players. I know say a lot of us they frustrated. Say Arsenal never buy any players. I know go lie for you, myself are they frustrated. I understand where you guys are coming from. Say Arsenal never sign players. I understand that. But for those where they say Arsenal they interested in players, other people they sign. That is where I want to correct that notion. That is not true. You get? Because the reason when I talk like this because now only Arsenal news me I they give una. Una don't know say every other club they interested in players like mad. You get? Make I give you for example now. Look at Manchester City. Why they never sign Cucurella? They never show their interest in Cucurella. Okay, why they never sign him? Maybe Brighton saying at £50 million, Man City saying at £30 million they get to offer. Okay, why haven't they signed him? Don't they have the money? But they never sign him. Now, Man City fans when they complain say never sign Cucurella, Okay, Moko even leave Man City. Let us enter Manchester United. Why they never sign Frankie De Jong? They don't show their interest. Everybody knows they want to sign him. Have you even forgotten that Manchester United showed their interest if they won't even sign Osimhen? Okay, why they never sign him? So nobody ask that they interested in players. Interesting. Transfer dealings no dey as easy as everybody dey think. Like say just enter market, pay 15 naira, collect Maggi. It no be like that. A lot of talks go dey happen. The selling club may not even want to sell. The player may want to leave. Many variables dey interested. They involved in all these dealings. It's not as easy as you think. Look at Chelsea. Shebi they interested in this Gabriel Jesus. They interested in Declan Rice. Why haven't they signed Gabriel Jesus and go and sign Declan Rice also? If it was that easy. They easy like that. Okay, why Manchester United no sign Darwin Núñez? You don't forget that they were interested in him. Now Liverpool they sign him. So all these things now every club. Liverpool will sign Darwin Núñez. Just say they just go there, just pay him. They showed an interest. They spoke to the player's representative. Every transfer starts with speaking with the representative of the player. So that this thing I just want to put out there, make you understand how transfer dealings they go. Be patient, you get. That's just the truth. When transfer window officially open, maybe 3 days ago or thereabout, be patient. It was June 10. 3 days in the transfer window, we don't complain, we don't show we are frustrated at this transfer window. There's still a long time and see. Some people even they talk say Stan Kroenke say no go sign. Why you go talk say Stan Kroenke say no go sign players? If you no go sign, why are we bidding for players? Why are we talking to player representative? Not free. So these are the things you need to understand. Giorgio Chiellini himself don come outside dey open up on im infamous shirt pull on Bukayo Saka. You know say the guy pull Bukayo Saka shirt when Saka wan dey on goal for England versus Italy. So Baba come outside dey explain why e happen like that, because that moment don go viral. So he got to explain say he don see say Saka don dey through on goal, like Saka don defeat am. He try to hold Saka, but Saka just wiggle him way out. Almost say no get choice. Now he drag the guy by the neck, say come back here. Just drag and come back. So everybody gonna complain. So why you gonna drag the small boy like that, this and that? Because say that was probably the only mistake wey he make for that competition, you get. And yeah, the thing still dey hunt am, because the thing na one of the most viral memes wey many people dey share on social media. So it is what it is. But Guendouzi don finally leave Arsenal, because Fabrizio Romano come outside dey let us know all this one. That's why Guendouzi come dey messiah, come dey yarn us. So the deal na Olympic Marseille go give Arsenal £11 million. You get, and they go give us. So well, it is what it is. The guy no be a player again. Even though some people dey feel say na Arteta na him mismanage the guy. So if they say the guy still dey with us, it will make sense and go a long way. Well, Boko no dey cry over spilt milk. He's no longer our player. Get it on their side. He's saying on the hand us now. They talk say na Champions League make am go there. They just give us some kind small sub. You get it. Insult us one kind. Well, it is what it is. Don't forget that. You know, they relevant. Charlie Watt sef don come outside dey talk say Arsenal must sell Nicolas Pepe before dem go sign Rafinha. You get. So na wetin Baba dey explain. Baba talk plenty things, because Rafinha, Saka and Pepe dem dey play the same position. So e no go make any sense for you to come talk say you want to bring in a Rafinha when you still have a Pepe wey dey play the same right wing, Saka dey play the same right wing, Rafinha sef dey play the same right wing. How all these things go sup, you get. So you got to sell Pepe first. And so far so good. I never even hear say anybody don't come say they're interested in Pepe. I don't know how Arsenal won't do him, because I think the guy still has 2 years left on his contract. Shey Arteta go still use the guy for this upcoming season. I never really know how everything is. So because our own players don't have this appeal to other people, apart from maybe Fulham, maybe find Ben Leno, which of our player again, other people they come say, okay, we want to sign this player, like this guy is very good. Nobody is coming to do that again. Instead, people we don't agree deal, they will say, okay, maybe they reduce the money further for them. So I never know why they suck, but I'm going to watch. Even Gabriel Agbonlahor himself don come outside come dey explain say for Arsenal now, say Arsenal need 2 strikers, you get, because of the way they find themselves now. As of this moment now, they only have an Eddie Nketiah. So for him, Baba come dey explain say they need 2 different strikers with 2 different profiles, like I always talk. So number 1, you need somebody in the mode of Gabriel Jesus that can play anywhere across the front line, you get. And at the same time, you can need a second striker that is tall, somebody that will give you a good hold-up play. We go come link up play with the boys, like somebody, I don't know if you know this Kamaka, but at least somebody like Dominic Calvert-Lewin, somebody in Tosha, we go fit hold up play, distributes the passes to the left and right. That is what Arsenal need. Somebody that is mobile, that can move back. Somebody in the mode of Jonathan David, Gabriel Jesus, all those kind of people. Then a tall person. So I don't know whether I want to subscribe to this line of thoughts, because that's always what I have been saying. We need 2 different strikers. One who go fit dey enjoy the crosses of Kylian Tierney. Give us a different dimension in our attack, because everybody don't know say Arsenal na tiki taka kpakpa. They know they wipe outside shot, they want pass enter inside. They know they even dey cross, because nobody dey to know that. So we need a Giroud 2.0. Somebody go fit a fox in the box. Now what we need. Then BILD will be one of the reputable media organizations for Germany. Don't come outside and let us know say Bayern Munich won't sell Marcel Sabitzer. So Marcel Sabitzer price don't come down. So they are looking at £12.5 million. That's about 15 million euros. Anybody will go fit offer them this kind of price, they will collect that. And this to deal, what did the Mimi verse be say? When Marcel Sabitzer did for RB Leipzig, RB Salzburg, he was very good. Like the guy, and what make me happy for the guy, because the guy is very versatile. In his career, he has played in 11 positions. They play left back, left wing, midfield, play anywhere across the midfield. The guy is very versatile. Arsenal were interested in him, then he can choose almighty Bayern, and the thing wey can happen to all this kind of Bayern, maybe this kind of PSG side, Man City side. You can be a star where you are coming from, but once you enter all this kind of squad, you come with other bigger stars wey pass you. Your name go come be Benjamin. He can't go Bayern. What's it gonna happen? The guy no gonna see game time. He gonna for Benjamin. Now he don't tire him. He gonna look say one move. He can buy himself. They willing to sell him, because then self when they pity for and say, "Aye, this guy never really see game time." Now see how much you don't sell him. £12.5 million. So they don't know whether Arsenal will look at, because media many pundits they talk say instead of going for Tielemans, if Tielemans move no go where, instead of spending millions and millions and they don't want to sell, they don't want to agree to sell, or Ruben Neves, so they say 70 million pounds, buy Marcel Sabitzer. The guy good, the guy good, everybody knows his quality. Buy him, he's an Austrian. Buy him, bring him to the club. He has a lot to prove and he will move very well. I don't know what you think about this issue, about this Marcel Sabitzer and Bayern. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. AC Milan are they interested to sign Pablo Mari? See, they would like to use Mari for their own club. They need a bad. We now, as we do here, the guy has surplus requirements for our own side there, so we don't really need them. So if they want them, or maybe they can carry them, we know they use them do anything. So it is what it is. Stan Collymore will be one of our super monitoring spirits. Don't come outside and let us know. Say Gabriel Jesus, it will make sense making join Chelsea than joining Arsenal. Because for Arsenal, the only problem when you see be say it can't be like say Mikel Arteta no go fit help the guy reach his potential, because according to what Stan Collymore they talk, if Pep Guardiola could not help Gabriel Jesus reach in full potential, become the player he's supposed to be, how do you expect a Mikel Arteta to do that? Now what's Baba they explain? Well, me, I don't know how it takes time like that. So when they feel say if the guy go for Chelsea with Romelu Lukaku leaving, say it will make a whole lot of sense for Tuchel to come develop the guy then Gabriel Jesus into a very modern attacker, a very potent striker that will be very prolific. You get, with all the help from all those guys, Mason Mount and the rest of them. I don't know how all this one will solve, because I know say many people like when we talk about Arsenal and negative they talk. Why make a change? Now because of what happened to Aubameyang, so because they feel say Arteta no fit handle big players. I don't know that I share the same sentiment. But if you know what yesterday show, check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click and so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So it's CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Now get out.